Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you were thinking. Baby, let me know what you were thinking.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen. We were done with breakfast and the kids have finished their homeschool assignments. This is our new normal, I guess you could say. This is what I do every morning after breakfast. So I'm going to bring you all along with me while I get everything back together. So without further ado, let's get started. So I always like to start by taking my rugs up first and getting them in the wash so that they can be washing while I'm cleaning. I've been washing them a lot lately because we've been spending so much time in the kitchen.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I'm Tiffany, and I would love for you to leave a comment down below to introduce yourself and say hi. I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe and click that bell before you go. So it was around 10:30 in the morning when I started cleaning, which was an early day for us since we started the whole homeschool thing. Even though the kids are doing online school, I still have them getting up at 6:30 in the morning, just like when they were in school. The only difference is they would actually be getting on the bus at 6:30, but I have them to log on by 7:30 every morning so that they can do attendance and see what their assignments are for that day. This way we're not doing school all day long. Like they normally get out of school at 1:30. So I figure if we're in there and early, then we can be out early too. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you still keep your kids on a schedule or not. I'm just curious as to, if you guys have changed it up a bit, because I still have my kids getting up and getting dressed, and I have them to make their beds every morning. And I explain to them that this is not a vacation, that school is still in session. And, I keep my same routine. I still get up and get showered every morning and I get dressed every day. And my kids were on spring break when all of this started. So my kids have been on for a month now. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments if you still keep the same routine or not.
Such a bright star in the dark space, babe. It never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's in
So I didn't go into full detail as to what our morning actually looks like, but I film my videos about 2 weeks in advance. So in Friday's video, I'll be showing you more of what we do in the morning. So be on the lookout for Friday's video and make sure you're subscribed with that bell turned on so you won't miss it.
Got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Chasing highs, you need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. My mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good loving, something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. Reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, take I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention.
Okay, y'all, so I don't know if it was just me or not, but I just found out from one of my YouTube friends, Shalia. Hey, girl. And she also has a YouTube channel, and it's called She Rose. I'll link it down in the description box below. She creates awesome cleaning videos, and I think y'all should check her out. But she told me that the splashless Clorox that I was using does not disinfect, and I was shocked because I thought bleach was bleach. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all knew that too. Needless to say, I don't use that anymore.
I'm not looking to make new friends. No, I've been looking for love inside, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name. Scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend. There's no way to comprehend. No way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You made me feel less than small. You tore me like a wrecking ball. You hit like an earthquake. There's no room for one mistake. Pick up your stuff and leave. Agree to disagree. So take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. You came with darkness, now I'm turning toward the light. You can't patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies.
Okay, y'all, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell if you haven't already. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. I pray that you all are safe and healthy. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.